Hi everybody, this is Tony Gonzalez with Wood Fan Bird. Today I'm going to show you how to fan out a bird, make a fan carving. As you can see, we have a profile here of a feather which I carved out from a block of wood, and as I turn it here you can see the body of the bird, which this is a hummingbird. So this is white cedar. It's nice straight grain, strong fibers, and the fibers are flexible when you get it wet. So this is an ideal wood to use in fan carving. So today I'm going to demonstrate the fanning out process. That's what people have a hard time visualizing, so hopefully this will enlighten you. So first we're going to take the first feather on top here and kind of twist and bend, and then we're just going to alternate these feathers and bend them back and forth. You can see that notch we have here, that's what we want to use to interlock the feathers. We just alternate back and forth. You can see the strength in the wood pulling on it. It's not breaking off. And if you do get one that breaks off, that's okay. Nobody will know but you. It's important to use wood that's not kiln dried. The kiln will kill the cells in the wood, and that'll make it brittle. So if you were to get a piece of stock cedar at a lumber yard, it's most likely it was kiln dried, so that's not the way to go. Even a fallen cedar tree that's been dead for quite a while is still good to use. So you can see the wings starting to take shape there. I think I'm going to start working on the feather, or the tail now. So I'll start at the bottom and just make a fan. Sometimes the feathers stick together because it's wet. And what we'll do is we'll leave the middle one there and then alternate the feathers back and forth. You can see it starts creating a tail. I think we'll give this one seven feathers to the tail. Looks like we got a couple left over. We can add those to the wings. It's a bit smaller of a bird than I usually work with, so my big hands have a hard time getting those feathers sometimes. Alright, there you have it. There's a hummingbird fan carving. And please check out my website, woodfanbird.com, or go to my Facebook page and like it. It's Facebook/woodfanbird. Thanks.